Hi, I'm Chef Adam, and today we're going to make my variation of the banh mi sandwich. So we have some thick cut pork belly, which you can find in most Asian grocery marts. You might be able to find it at a good butcher if you have as well. So what I do with that is I take a whole Spanish onion and about 12 cloves of garlic, and I blitz that up a little bit. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a blender as well. And I let that sit in a marinade with a little bit of soy sauce for about 4 or 5 hours just to help that flavor penetrate. We have some pickled daikon radish, some salt, pickled carrots, fresh red onions, pickled cucumbers, we have a spicy mayonnaise, and some cilantro. And then we have the French crusty bread that we're going to put it on at the end. Okay, now our pork belly is nice and grilled. We have a nice crunchy French loaf. I'm just going to stick that aside for a sec, and we're going to slice up some of this. Nice and juicy, nice and crispy on the outside. So first we'll take some of our spicy mayo. Get that in on both sides. We'll do some crispy pork. Load it up. Now the pickled veg. So we have some daikon. I love daikon, so I always put a lot on. Carrots. Cucumber. Some red onion. And then cilantro. Again, lots of stem because it's great. Pack it in. Boom. One delicious banh mi sandwich. Okay, let's have a taste. Okay, it's nice and fatty. The pickled veg helps cut right through that. Nice little bit of spicy mayo. Bread's nice and crunchy, so you get a lot of different textures in here. It's nice and salty. You can always add a little bit more salt at the end if you'd like to. I add a little bit of soy sauce in my marinade, so I try to make sure that I'm paying attention to how much salinity I add to it. But that's a delicious sandwich. It didn't take long to make. If you like this recipe, leave a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. In the meantime, hit like and subscribe.